Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US dollar, Swiss franc, USD, CHF. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of USD, CHF, US dollar, Swiss franc, my favorite time frame. And if you look at the chart carefully, then we'll see resemblance with the chart of US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yes, these two chart looks very familiar. This is the USD CAD chart and this is the US dollar Swiss franc chart. Okay. And you can see that, okay, and I have already shown in my previous video that yes, these Fibonacci levels are working, and I clearly told in my previous video that when market was retracing or coming down, I mentioned that there is a possibility that market may bounce from this particular level 23.6, this red line. Okay, and as expected, market has bounced from this particular level. And if you have grab US dollar Swiss franc right now, or if you're in a long position right now, then you're in a profit. Then be be in the profit, enjoy the profit, that's it. And if you're looking for a fresh window or fresh opportunity, then my dear friend, you need to wait, or if you want to enter right now, you can enter. Okay, but before going into the details, let's do the analysis. So as we all know, after the FOMC meeting last week, dollar became very strong. Dollar became so strong that currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD saw heavy sell-off. They became so weak. They witnessed such a heavy selling pressure that almost all the support levels shattered, destroyed, and right now these currency pairs are trying to recover this week. Whereas currency pairs like USDCHF, US dollar, Canadian dollar became extremely strong, saw heavy bullish uptrend because of the strength of US dollar. And you can see that before the FOMC meeting, US dollar, Canadian dollar, USDCHF, this chart, okay, they were all trading in a tight range. But as soon as, okay, dollar started gaining strength, dollar became bullish. Okay, these currency pairs also saw heavy buying pressure, and because of the strength of dollar, okay, they started going up. Okay, and still they are in a bullish trend, because if we look at the overall chart of USD then the overall chart is not impressive. Overall chart is bearish, but if we consider the present scenario right now, then there is no doubt that market is under the dominance of buyers. Therefore, in a chart like this, sometimes it is very confusing whether we should go for buy order or whether we should go for sell order. Okay, because we know that in the market the thumb rule is follow the trend. So following the trend, okay, to follow the thumb rule, we must consider the present scenario right now, because see, overall the trend of the market is towards the downside. Okay, there is no doubt about it. But right now the market is under the dominance of the buyers. Therefore, if you take a short position right now, then there is a possibility that you will be trapped. Okay, and if we look at the chart of dollar index, which I've already shown in my other videos also. Okay, if you look at the chart of dollar index, then you can see that, okay, after these three massive candles of the previous week, market formed a red candle yesterday, but again market has formed a green candle today. So in a setup like this, there is a possibility that after a pullback, market will be going up. Okay, so whenever we get a setup like this, okay, then there is a good possibility that market will be going up. Therefore, we should be bullish. We should be bullish in currency pairs like USD CAD and USD CHF. Okay, and as long as market reaches or US dollar hits this particular level, 93.35 level, there is a good possibility that US dollar will be bullish, and you should always also be bullish on pairs like US dollar Swiss franc and US dollar Canadian dollar. Let's switch to the 4 hour chart of USDCHF and see what should be a strategy. And see, this is the currency strength meter. Okay, this is the currency strength meter, and you can see that US dollar is standing tall among all the other currencies. Therefore, there is no doubt that US dollar is extremely strong. Therefore, considering all the factors, just like USD CAD, okay, if we consider all the factors, then we are getting a clear sign that yes, we can go for a buy order right now. And you can also look at the position of stochastic RSI, and stochastic RSI is also indicating that yes, you can go for a buy order. Therefore this is, yes, market has gone up. Okay, this is not the most ideal position, but still if you want to go for a buy order right now, then still market, yeah, there is an opportunity, or there is still a window to go for buy order. But remember one thing, you must follow proper risk management. Follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2% of your trading capital, because see, this is the bitter truth of the market and you must understand it very well. Okay, we do not decide the direction of the market. Retail traders like us do not decide the direction of the market. The big players, they drive the market. Therefore, if 5 factors, 10 factors, if all the factors in the universe point towards a buy order or sell order, still you cannot be too confident or too oversure and go for it. Okay, always follow risk management properly, because you should not risk your hard-earned money blindly. Do not be a gambler, be a trader. Therefore, considering all the factors, you can go for buy order, because US dollar is extremely strong right now. Fibonacci level is also indicating that market has just taken support and market is bouncing. So Fibonacci level is also in our favor. Stochastic RSI is also indicating, okay, indicating a buy order, and overall chart, okay, is also indicating that we can go for buy order. So almost all the factors are giving us a green signal that we can go for buy order, but still follow proper risk management. Do not be a gambler, be a trader, and risk only 2 to 3% of your trading capital. That's it. Because still there is a possibility that, okay, market may come down from this particular point. And if you want to avoid the market for 2 to 3 days, for next couple of days, then you can avoid the market. Personally, I'm not trading. I'm not trading today. I didn't trade yesterday also. Okay, I would like to observe the market for next 1 or 2 days. Okay, then, because until and unless I get some proper levels, I will not trade. But if you want to go for a trade right now, you can go for a trade. You keep your stop loss below this level and follow proper risk management, my request. Because anything may happen, market may go wrong also. Therefore, protect your capital. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow.